Okay, I bought these lights at Sam's. They were $24 and you get two lights. They're basically solar lights, and they have a battery on the back, and the battery is actually replaceable if you need to replace it. Here's the actual box, if you could see that. It's got 1200 lumens, solar powered, wireless linkable technology, waterproof, 40 warm white LEDs, no wiring required, motion activated, powered by the sun, up to 8 hours of light, rechargeable battery included, and linkable. Linkable means that the two lights inside they'll link together through an RF frequency. And what happens is when one light comes on, the other one comes on as well. And here's the back of the box. Again, at Sam's Club, they have these for $24 right now. They may go cheaper because that's like the standard price. And all they have is an on button in the back. I thought maybe there was like a detection switch or something, or like different angles that you could adjust. It goes at 120 degrees for detection, and it uses a 2000 milliamp lithium battery as its battery source, which is replaceable. I'll try to get that on this. And they say to mount it at least 6 feet from the ground for best coverage. So we'll give it a shot. Again, here's a picture. It has the solar on top. You mount them flush, and then they don't give you a very good pattern, like it'll cover like a door or window. But since there are two of them, we're hoping that we could cover two windows with it. And it has a detection region of 26 feet, supposedly. So we'll give them a shot. Well, I'm going to install it tomorrow. Or you won't know because I'll just install it and put this part in the video. Solar lights need to be charged in full sunlight for 8 to 12 hours with the switch on the on position to allow the batteries to reach maximum capacity. So we got to turn them on. I'm going to put them by a light bulb. Supposedly you could charge these things by a light bulb. The fixture will stay on 30 seconds when it's triggered by motion, and then revert back to a standby mode of 20 lumens until the motion is detected. So I'm assuming that when it gets detected, it goes to the full 1200 lumens or whatever, and then it goes to another light mode which is only 20 lumens, and I would assume it stays there. We'll see what happens. Comes with two lights, minimum of 6 feet from the ground, a detection range of 26 feet. The angle is 120 degrees. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Okay, so here's the light again. I was going to show you how bright it is when you first turn it on. It's pretty bright. I'll turn off the light and we'll see what else. Yeah, it's pretty bright when you first turn it on, and then after 30 seconds it goes to a dimmer mode. And you're supposed to charge it while see, you just went to a dimmer mode. And you're supposed to be able to charge it while it's in this state, which is kind of weird. I'm going to just put a light bulb next to it and keep it on because you have to charge it for 8 hours. And supposedly you could charge these with a standard light. Okay, because it's night out and it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, I want to charge these things up. And I read that you can just use regular LED bulbs to charge them up. It takes longer because it's not as strong as the sun. But I've got 3 of these bulbs aiming at both lights. And we'll just let them sit like that for at least 12 hours. And then tomorrow I'll install them on the side of the house. Okay, this is the new light that I just got from Sam's. It's in its 20 luma state right now. I guess it stays like that at night. and I'm about, I don't know, like 10 feet away right now, and it just detected me. And it's lighting up the two windows kind of nicely. I got my camera over there. I'm hoping that if I put a couple more across this side of the house, we'll get some pretty good coverage. They kind of link up together, so when one goes off, the other one goes off. They come in pairs like that. You can't put like 3 or 4 in that kind of link mode, but you can put 2 in that link mode. They're $24 for 2 of these lights, and it does seem to light up the ground and everything pretty nicely around it. I would say easily 15 feet from it, it lights up the path, which is pretty nice. It's 1100 lumas. See, it just went to its 20 luma mode. I assume it stays in that 20 luma mode all night long as it's dark out. And then when it does pick up detection, it goes to its 1100 or whatever. I don't know if it's 1100 for 2 of these or 500 each. See, there it goes. So anywhere, if I go near these windows, at least it lights up now here. And I installed it 7.5 feet from the ground. It says in the instructions you need to be at least 6 feet from the ground. I don't know. I'm not going to try to figure out if there's a better method to do that or not. I will probably put 4 of these things on the side of the house, and we'll see what happens.